day, another home DIY thing. Let's get it. So today we are going to replace the, what you call them? Glow plugs. We are going to replace the glow plugs. We received a error code for glow plugs. I'll just go into the vehicle and show you what we found. It's an active error. Then the car goes into limp mode and then it cuts off fuel. So yeah, let's go diagnose it in the car. Let's go get it, and then we might as well do the injector seals as well, because we're gonna be here. It's only right that we be fair. Let's get it. Engine electronics. See what it says now. Passive. This was active before. Now it says passive. This one was passive. But let me just try and pull that off and see what it says when I read this again. Let's try that. So there, I've pulled this out. Let's see what it says in there. So yeah, it still says passive. So yeah, we'll see what happens.
Midnight air, tools on the floor. I'm still right here. Old V8 breathing heavy and slow. Turbo whistle from the cars I know. Sedan tire, but it still got fight. Backy coughing, we gon' make it right. Every engine got a different sound, but they all need love to turn around. I don't rush it, I don't lie. Every bold I turn, I testify. In this garage, I found my voice. Fixing broken things was my choice. I built it with love. Every ride, from a cold start to an open drive. If it knocks, if it stalls, I stay strong till the engine sings my song. I built it with love through the pain, from oil leaks down to fuel and flame. Home DIY, dust and rust, built with love, built on trust. Posiu che le caia, che sa fele. Cars di robezze, ma che sa sele. La chi è cassi, sera mia old school. Chi di cosa cappello, casse caro. From daily drive to project car. Every scratch just shows how far. If it smokes, if it cries, I listen closer. Read the signs.
Easy. Unplug, then unplug this one as well. Then we should be done. This will just come out. Oh, and also here, just unclamp that.
I don't rush it, I don't lie. Every bold I turn, I testify. In this garage, I found my voice. Fixing broken things was my choice. I built it with love. Every ride.
One out. It's out. Oh yes, it's out. Get hit.
Cold start to an open drive. If it knocks, if it stalls, I stay strong till the engine sings my song. I build it with love through the pain, from oil leaks down to fuel and flame.
This is a fresh one from Melee. Fresh one. So yeah, we're gonna install some of this. And then we should be done. We should be done.
Through the pain, from oil leaks down to fuel and flame. Home DIY, dust and rust, built with love, built on trust. Yeah. Lights go on, keys in my hand. Another car ready to stand. From the yard to the open.
Yeah, we set the torque range to 15 Newton meters there. A small one. So you tighten with this one first.
From the yard to the open road. Home DIY, built with love.
It's getting tight. So now we use the torque wrench. Hear that? Torque spec.
The ground up, build my bar. The ground up, build my bar up. The ground up, build my ground up, build my ground up, build my ground up.
So yeah, first impressions after the glow plug install. It's driving very smoothly. Very smoothly. When I say very smoothly, I mean goddamn. It's a rock, man. It's a rock.